Good morning, everyone. Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm here in New Mexico trying to get a little bit farther down the hill because we keep going up. Yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. I will be uploading this video with some Nomad internet, link below in the video description. The one thing about maps that you can't tell is the elevation change, and I was definitely wrong when I left Sholo thinking that we were going to go down from 7,000 feet. That little campground that we were at in the National Forest, that was 7,300 feet. We went up 300 feet. We are now actually at 8,500 feet. We do have a pretty view off the corner here. Got the sun in our eyes, but yeah, nice little scenic view here. And I'll tell you, the problem I'm having right now, we got to get fresh water into Freeda immediately. I am on the E. I have stopped at 3 places, gas station places, to get water, and everybody in New Mexico has already shut off their water for the winter. A little bit of a dilemma. You wouldn't have this problem if you weren't at 8,500 feet and there was no water, but we have got to find water to survive and camp. So I can't camp up here in the beautiful areas of New Mexico any longer. We have got to go downhill. So that is our plan. Okay? All right. Well, we got the kitties cozy inside the RV. Let's get back on the road. Boy, we have been going uphill still. The beautiful drive, but woo-wee, getting some bad gas mileage on this trip. Here we go. So there's this Cosmic Campground, this brown sign off to our right pointing this way. I'm gonna go check this out real quick. Cosmic Campground? That sounds quirky. We're still way up in the mountains, and this has been a beautiful drive, by the way. Don't get me wrong, it has been absolutely gorgeous, but it's also been a little, it's just up and down, and it kills your gas mileage, and you're only going 30 in a 60. So this sign off to our left says, required for camping, a shovel. Oh, and camping limit 14 days. It just has a really weird name, Cosmic Campground, so I want to check it out, even though we're back to 8,000 feet. We went right back up the mountain. Yeah. Let's see, this sign says Cosmic Campground, Gila National Forest again. Boy, it's a big forest. We've driven 100 miles and I'm still in the Gila Forest. I just don't think I'm going to camp here. I think we're going to try to get back. I mean, I need to get water anyway, but I just want to check it out. It's cool. They got some nice van setups, but his spot in front of us, I could fit there. I could, if I wanted to. So it's not just a van campground. Dirty vanners. Just kidding, just kidding. And no running water here. That was the other thing I was kind of hoping, but usually at these national forest ones, they don't have facilities. They don't have running water or anything really. Anyway, all right, cool. Actually, I got to stop and mark that on my maps for the future. I like to star stuff that I've actually seen, and then I'll put a little label. So I called it Cosmic Campground 4 RV sites, because I counted 4 spots where my RV could fit for the future, just in case I ever roll through here and want to spend more time and have more water. All right, back on the road. Try to get. I mean, you can look around. We are still at the highest point of the entire state of New Mexico. And this has got to change. We've got to get down the frickin' mountain. A good place to have breakfast. I'll make some eggs and bacon. Heck yeah, this is the 4th day in a row I've started my mornings off right. 3 cups of coffee, then eggs, 2 slices of bacon, and a water. If I could just get my dinners and my exercise under control, I'd be feeling a lot better. But I like pizza and burgers too much. Man, what a glorious day. I am shooting for Deming, New Mexico. That's going to be going down the mountain another 2 hours towards I-10 down there in New Mexico. They got gas stations and a few places, so that's where I'm shooting for now. Yeah, let's roll out. Continental Divide, 6,000 feet, so we're down a little bit here. A lot of hikers. A lot of hikers up here. We're about 30... Uh-oh. 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 Wait. I just got an alarm. I gotta find a place to pull over. Just got my first alarm. It's for high PSI. Look, see the red one? I don't know if you can see that. I have it set. Why would it be over? Weird. All right, so high pressure on the passenger front right here. I was expecting to get low pressure alerts, not high pressure, but that's still important. I think that's because as you drive and the tires get warm, the PSI goes up. So if it gets too high, then you could have a blowout too. So here. Hang on. All right. Okay, back to 38 PSI. And just keep an eye on it. How would you know that if you didn't have tire pressure Bluetooth sensors? You know what I mean? So that's a good thing, right? All right, this overpass right here, Interstate 10, I-10, finally. Yeah, we're here in Deming, New Mexico now.
Cedar Street.
In Deming, New Mexico, back down to 4,434 feet. A comfortable 4,000 feet. And I've been doing some research. So, back in the old days when I was having trouble finding a place to dump my tanks or get water, I would open up my Allstays app, would open up that app and look for a place, even an RV park, because sometimes even if I don't want to pay $60, $70, $80 a night to stay there, sometimes they offer a dump for a fee, like get water dump for $5, $10, even $15 sometimes. Well, in today's search for that, had a little surprise. There's an Escapees park here in Deming, New Mexico, just 1 mile here on I-10 as we get onto I-10 with lots of construction going on. And so with my membership through Escapees, it is only $22 a night for full hookups. And I get to stay the night somewhere in an approved spot. But don't worry, because once we get here, I am going to be unhooking the car. We're gonna go play around in Deming and explore a little bit around here. But yeah, that was easy. All right, easy peasy. Already topped off my water tank. I'm doing the city water right now, dump my tanks. Let's see, power, 30 amp. Got Starlink up there searching. Yeah, I'm gonna head out in Tater Tot and go explore some stuff in Deming. First things first, I gotta put some freaking shorts on. Hey, I'm chasing 70 degrees again. It's 76 degrees here in November in Deming, New Mexico. Opie, 76 degrees, buddy. How does that grab you? That should grab you pretty good. It should grab you. So I'm gonna flip the fan on to AC. Yeah, and give the kitty some AC, okay? There she is. All right, you gonna stretch your paws too? I'll see you guys in about an hour, okay? All right, Opie, you take care of everybody. All right, Starlink is connected. Let's check speeds real quick if it wants to work. Been having trouble with see, speed test temporarily unavailable. It's been happening a lot to me on my app, however. We'll just open the speed test app here. Make sure it says Starlink here. Yep, SpaceX Starlink. See what we get here in New Mexico with a clear shot. Come on, get up there. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, break 100. Woohoo! Holy smokes. 130, 140 down. Give me at least 10 up. Ah, that's okay. I can still upload this video overnight. There we go. It's creeping up to 6, 7. Perfect. That's all I need is 10. Give it to me. 8. Keep pushing. 9. Ah, 137 down, 9 up. I accept that. I accept that. Okay. Man, I love having my little car. Some AC going on. Can go explore Deming a little bit. Probably grab a bite to eat before we get back to the kitties. And take you with me. Ha ha. Okay, I can check this out. It's like Dino Park, USA. I don't know how they did it, but they did it. Mr. Raptor there is taller than Tater Tot. Then got some kitty cats over here. I don't know what the yellow stuff on him is. Oh, I know what that is. It's Dino DNA. And a big T-Rex with tiny arms. Okay, well, I don't know why they have it all fenced in. They really, look, no climbing, visual inspection only. Okay, well, I'm inspecting them, but I don't understand the point. You know, it'd be cool to get up close with a picture, not the barbed wire. I guess without the barbed wire, the idiots would just spray paint all over them and ruin them probably, but... When I checked into the escapees there, I asked them about food in the area. Wait a minute. Right behind Tater Tot, Starmax. It says movies, bowling, golf, arcade, and what's the other word? Restaurant. That's a lot of things I like. Movies, bowling, golf, arcade, and okay. All right, I'll try it out. I'll try it out. It's definitely in a strange part of the city out here, kind of like out in the desert area, and there's only 3 cars. Oh, I don't really know if they're open, but let's go find out. Starmax. Perfect. I've got the whole bowling alley to myself. It's like 3 o'clock on a weekday, so I got a lane 10. This is the way I like it, when it's like totally empty. You just do whatever you want. Practice a little bit. Yeah. All right, E-R-I-C. There we go. So the restaurant next door is not connected to the bowling, but you can get snacks like the movie theater stuff. So I got some nachos and put some, I think nachos and bowling goes together. A little dippy there. I think we're gonna get some competition and a little eating there. All right, well, I got 4 games in, kept getting better. 73, a 129, a 121. I finished with a 172. I messed up the 10th frame bad, otherwise that would have been a 200-point game too. All right, checking out the bar attached to the bowling alley. They do have a touch tune, so you can play tunes. I could rickroll everybody in here, but there's just not a whole lot of people in here at 4 o'clock on a weekday. Gotta stay sharp while bowling though. Even if I have to bowl alone once a month, gotta stay sharp. Music's really loud in here, but there is my pepperoni pizza. Looks pretty good actually for a bar pizza. Not bad. Pretty cool place. I'm glad I stopped in and got in some bowling. I had one girl laugh at the back table. There weren't a whole bunch of people in there when I rickrolled them. I played some good tunes too. Let's go check on those kitties. Terrible Barrett, can I tell you how good the pizza was? It was so good you would have loved it. You would have loved the pizza, Tara. You would have. Opie, I had the pizzas and it was so good for the num-nums and the bellies and the right here. It felt so good in my tummy right there. If you had the pizza right there, you would have liked it. You would have. You guys hungry? Okay. Some's for Tara. There you go, Tara. Opie's want some's? It's in your bowl. It's going to your bowl, going to your bowl, going to your bowl, going to your bowl. It's in your bowl. I have such a demanding cat. He needs room service delivered all the time. Let's see how our dishwasher is looking. Yeah, you know what? We could probably do a load since we got unlimited water and unlimited dump station right now. Yeah, go ahead and do a load of dishes. Thank you for doing all my hard work, Hava. Now I can have a relaxing time. Okay, I'll let myself out. I'll go ahead and let myself out. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, guys. Thanks for joining me. We're gonna get into Texas in my next video. Got a couple days of travel still yet to do. But yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. Opie and Tara and I will see you. Thanks for watching the channel. I'm really having fun traveling again. This is good. It's good.